I'm at 1041 Allen Peak Circle in North Ogden, Utah. This is a 6-bed, 3-bath home with 3,240 square feet. A little deck that goes outside to the backyard. Kitchen has gas stove, microwave, fridge, disposal. There's a dishwasher over here. This will be the first bedroom. Linen closet here. Full bathroom. This is a pantry. Here's the second bedroom. Looks out to the backyard. See the shed back there. Down the hallway we have the primary bedroom. Again, it looks out to the backyard. Really nice 3/4 bath ensuite. Large closet with washer and dryer. And the third bedroom. This looks out the front of the house. This is the garage, 2-car garage. House does not come with the motorcycle. Go downstairs, fully finished basement. And the fourth bedroom here. And the third bathroom. Again, more laundry hookups. Have a wet bar over here. Kind of a kitchenette. No appliances, but does have a working sink. And this is the 6th bedroom. There's a large closet over here. And then you have the utility room over here. Dual water heaters, you'll never run out of hot water. Again, this is 1041 Allen Peak Circle in North Ogden.